everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of August 3rd through the 9th, and I am using this kit that I found online. The shop I cannot remember because it's not on here. I will link it down below for sure. But I thought it was like cute with all the little like highs and whatever. Some headers, a little bit of bottom washi, and some functional and some deco. I'm also going to add these washies, actually these two that came from Amazon, and then this one from Michael's. I think I'm going to use this to like make the bottom washi a full width. So my plan is to actually construct going down. I'm going to have to adjust somewhere in here. So I think my plan is going to be, since these are like happy planner height, so they cover a header as well, I think my plan is going to be to stick the to do along the top, and then I think I'm going to stick the full boxes underneath and then put the today headers, and then I plan to put the littles where the littles, like this row, with these. I think those will fit. So I think what I'm going to do is put in the to-do and the littles and the bottom washi, and then I'm going to come and put in the headers and the today with you guys. So hopefully that's going to work. So that's my plan anyway. Alright, so I'm going to do those things and then I will be right back. so here's where we are right now. I am liking it. I'm a little confused as to why the bottom washies were both too short, but whatever, we're making it work. So I think I should put these in now. So these 4, I'll say like hi or hello. And then these 4 obviously do not. For some reason this one just like speaks to me as like the quote box area. Actually, this is a terrible choice for the quote box because I'm going to use that. So instead I'm going to stick this directly onto Thursday. Alright, so I should pick one of these other ones. Maybe I will choose hello, which is the other one that I really liked. I love the idea of old typewriters. I don't use one. I don't really write very much. Do any of you guys have old typewriters? Use them? Wish you used them? Have nostalgia for them like me for no reason? Let me know. Alright, I'm gonna spread out the other hellos. So that they like aren't all right next to each other. This one is like slightly shifted. That will work. Okay, now I need to spread these out. I feel like this one shouldn't be by the high on Thursday. It also shouldn't be by that. So I'm going to stick them on Sunday. No, come back, come back. I have them due, but yet, for some reason, I'm not using it. Alright, there we go. I'm going to get this sticky stuff off of myself. Hopefully. Okay. There we go. Then I feel like this one should go on Wednesday. I don't know why, it just feels right. I'm going to stick this one right here. And then I'm going to put this one right here. Alright, good enough. Now I'm going to stick down my today headers. This week, as I'm sure none of you are surprised by, is pretty uneventful. Just a lot of work. Hanging out at home, trying to be safe. So most of my plans will have to be filled in after we actually do things. But at least I can get the base down. Alright, just a couple more of these. I think this is going to be enough space for these. Like for this section, even though it's smaller than it might otherwise be. I've also never put my full boxes at the top, so that'll be interesting. We'll see how it goes. Okay. I'm also going to take this weekend banner. Oh, I didn't finish cutting it out. I'm just going to put that down later. I'm going to stick this over here. It's kind of wide, but I'm just going to let it stick over. I think that's fine. And then I'm going to use this 3-heart checklist that I have in my leftovers, because that's all I really need. This is like so crooked. Alright, good enough. And then I'm just going to fill in with some of these guys. Here. That almost went off the edge. That was close. Can I squish the camera in over here too? I think I'm just going to stack the buttons. I'm going to stick the camera here. says hi. And then I've got a couple of little sayings. I'm gonna stick in here. Alright, that looks pretty cute. Alright, in terms of the weekly plans, I have this American Crafts book, and I'm just going to pull out these coffee cups to mark work. So obviously I need 5 of them. I'm just going to pull them all right now, if I can get them. There we go. Don't drink coffee, but they're still cute. Also, this turquoise color, not used that often. So, there we go. And then the only other thing I want to for sure mark in here is I need to film, edit, and upload my plan with me. I'm going to use this camera from Piper Paper Company. I have not used these yet. I don't know why not, but I'm going to use them this week. And I'm just going to stick that just like that. Alright, so that is all my plans. This is what the pre-planning looks like. If you stick around for just a second, you can see the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It's so cute and colorful. I didn't mention the kit earlier. It's from a blog called Lucky Charms. She doesn't seem to be active anymore, so I can't tag her anywhere, but I still really like the kit. I think it's really cute and colorful and summery. So going through anything I don't mention came from that kit. All these coffee cups came from American Crafts. This is a Piper Paper Company. This washi is from Michaels. And then these two are from my Recollections planner from a couple years ago. And other than that, I only use kit stuff. Very simple. I think it turned out really cute. I actually like this skinny chunk here with the Happy Planner Link sticker going at the top. So I think it turned out really cute. As always, please like and subscribe below. Let me know what kits you're using for the rest of August and into September. I'm trying to figure all of those things out right now. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, except in cases where they aren't on Instagram anymore. But otherwise, tag all the shops. And until next time, bye!